Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have my daughter, Aubrey, here.
Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it.
The camera's right here.
Oh.
She is being extremely shy right now for some reason. She was so pumped to make this video and she's like, Mom, I'm gonna do your intro for you. So do it.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up.
That was way too fast, homegirl. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to let her have fun with my face and just do my makeup however she wants. Since we're under quarantine, it's been really boring for the kids. And I just want to make sure that she gets to be creative and artistic. I do let her play around with makeup. I don't ever let her wear it outside of the house, but I do like to allow her to be creative with makeup. So anything I don't use, I usually ask her if she wants it, or I just put it away for my friends or something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and let her play with my face. If you guys want to see how my 7-year-old does my makeup, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay, Miss Aubrey, what makeup are you gonna be using on my face today? What are you gonna start off with?
This, wait.
Show it to the camera. You're showing it to the monitor. Okay.
This is
what is that?
Using. I forgot.
It's called foundation.
Yeah, foundation.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what it.
I haven't washed that sponge, so I prefer you using a brush. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, so we're doing foundation first.
I'm scared. Is it cold?
Yeah, kind of. So, yeah. Are you excited to see how you do my makeup?
Yeah.
You've been asking me all week for this video, Aubrey.
I know. And it finally happens. Wait, I forgot one thing.
You're gonna... Oh!
You do that to yourself.
You're gonna get it on my eyebrows, aren't you?
Trying. No, I'm not.
Oh yeah. Get
No?
it in there. So what has been the funnest thing you've done this week, Aubrey?
Doing TikTok.
You've been making TikTok videos?
Yeah. And if you haven't seen it, it's called BB Aubrey.
Oh yeah, follow her, BB Aubrey.
Okay.
You're done?
Wait. There's a little more on your nose. Okay, wait. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to be using this palette.
Which one is that one?
Okay, this is what I'm going to be using.
That is the So Jaded Kathleen Lights and ColourPop eyeshadow palette. Okay.
Yeah, and we have one more because I like how it looks. Wait.
That is the Violet Voss I Do Not Care eyeshadow palette. Cute.
Okay. So first... Okay. I'm scared. Don't be scared.
I'm not scared. Are you scared?
No.
So what color are you using on me?
Pink, your favorite color.
Ooh. Is that your favorite color too?
Yeah. Well, I like other colors like blue, green.
So what do you miss about school?
Everything.
What do you miss the most?
My teacher.
Aww. She's been on talking to her teacher and her classmates on the Zoom app, showing them our house and everything when it's dirty.
Oops. Oops. There's a paper towel.
Okay, but keep in mind that you put makeup on my face too.
Okay, I will.
So next time you know that you should put eyeshadow first and then face makeup so that you don't have to take all of that off. So Aubrey, do you know what I do for work?
You make videos, then you edit, then it takes forever. Oh my god. Your eyes are so pretty.
Thank you, Aubrey. What's that I feel falling on my face?
Who knows?
Do I look beautiful yet?
Yeah.
Oh, why are you pulling my eyelashes?
Okay, you can look.
Wow, that's a pretty glitter.
There's a little bit, so I'm gonna wipe it off a little. Okay. Now.
Okay, that's pretty.
Okay, now we're gonna use like. Let me close it real quick.
Are my eyes done?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Back up a little bit more. What do you have there?
It is the it's like you can see.
It's the Make It Last Liquid Katsu Metallic Lipstick from Wet n Wild.
Yeah. So now we are going to put it on. Here they put lip gloss on. And that smells shiny. Ew.
I think you got it on my tooth. Oh, no, you didn't. That literally went in my mouth.
Okay, that's good. I was expecting it to. If I was a little devil, I would just put it all over your face.
So how do you feel about this so far?
Good.
Okay, are you done?
Still scared.
Oh.
I forgot to show you what it is.
This
So-
is the Bretman Rock Wet n Wild mascara. I will not say the name because it is a bad, bad word. You got it all over your fingers, but there you have it.
Stop.
I'm scared. Aubrey. Don't forget who cooks for you. Aubrey Diane. Come on. Okay, you're gonna get it all over my beautiful eyeshadow.
Okay, we need. That's fine.
Perfect, okay.
Now where's the blush? Blush. I didn't find the blush. Okay. This is a Wet n Wild blush. I don't even know if this is blush.
You don't know that's blush?
Yeah, so. Yeah, it is blush. Ew, now your cheeks like.
I love the way that smells.
It smells so good.
How do you think I look so far?
Good.
Good. What did you do today, Aubrey?
I literally played Roblox, but it didn't work. And then I just played with my brother a little bit, and then I did some TikTok with my brother.
Did you do school today?
No. Well, yeah. With my class. Oh my God.
Am I done?
Wait, no, wait. Wait. Now it looks even more clear than I expect. Like a butterfly.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with my family.
What's your favorite thing to do with your family?
Go on vacations, like at Legoland.
What makes mommy happy?
When we all clean up. Well, you put a heart on your cheek.
Yeah, I can see that. That actually does look like a heart. I don't know what that looks like, but...
And then I put another heart. I'm gonna try to work it out.
What does Daddy do?
Play video games all day. Playing video games with Josh.
So how do you think I look?
Good.
I'm feeling fabulous here. I think you just started a trend, Aubrey. I think everybody's gonna have glittery cheeks from now on. I was not expecting for her to finish this fast. I take hours to get ready. She is an amazing makeup artist. I love my makeup, Aubrey.
Thank you.
And all the glitter, it looks so pretty. The eyes I'm in love with. I'm definitely going to try that out for a look. Maybe I should do your makeup in another video and turn you into me. Let me see you put glitter on you too. And maybe turn you into mommy. Do you like that idea?
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have more of Aubrey here on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Peace.
Bye.